discover 20 new woodworking tools on Amazon that every craftsman needs right now. These innovative gadgets are designed to make your projects faster, cleaner, and more precise. From smart measuring devices to versatile cutting tools, each one brings next-level efficiency to your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a weekend DIYer, these tools will completely transform how you craft, cut, and create. Laze, Laser Measuring Tool. The Bosch BLAZE Laser Measuring Tool series delivers unmatched precision and versatility for professionals and DIYers alike. Designed to replace traditional tape measures, these tools provide instant, real-time measurements for distance, area, and volume. Advanced models feature Bluetooth connectivity, digital viewfinders, and bright green laser beams for superior visibility outdoors. With durable, job site-ready construction, intuitive controls, and a backlit display, the Blaze line ensures fast, accurate readings in any environment, making it an essential upgrade for modern woodworking, construction, and renovation projects. Framing tool. Framing tools are essential for building strong, accurate structures from walls to decks. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty construction or small renovation projects, the right tools make all the difference. Framing hammers deliver power and control for driving large nails, while framing nail guns speed up repetitive tasks. Precision tools like framing squares, speed squares, and levels ensure perfect alignment. Meanwhile, framing saws, such as worm drive, circular, and miter saws, provide fast, clean cuts. Together, these tools form the foundation of any efficient framing setup. Stair Measuring Tool. The Stair Measuring Tool, also known as a stair tread template or jig, is an essential device for anyone installing or renovating stairs. It ensures precise measurements of treads and risers, simplifying the process of replicating angles and lengths for a perfect fit, especially in older homes with uneven walls. Built from durable materials like aluminum or stainless steel, it offers adjustable length and angle settings for maximum accuracy. The locking mechanism secures measurements firmly, while laser-etched scales enhance precision. Compact and portable, this tool helps woodworkers and DIYers achieve flawless stair installations with minimal effort and waste. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig series revolutionizes woodworking joinery with its precision, speed, and reliability. Designed for everyone from beginners to professionals, Kreg jigs create strong pocket hole joints for furniture, cabinetry, and repairs. Each model, 320, 520 PRO, and 720 PRO, features hardened steel drill guides, adjustable material settings, and secure clamping systems. The 720 PRO offers one motion Automax clamping and dust collection, while the 520 PRO adds portability with a 360-degree Versa grip handle. For smaller tasks, the 320 provides compact convenience. Built for durability and accuracy, every Kreg jig ensures professional-grade results with minimal setup time and long-lasting performance. ToughBuilt Pull Saw. The ToughBuilt TBH 421-2 folding pull saw is a premium Japanese-style hand saw built for precision, portability, and safety. It features a dual-edge blade, one side with a coarse 7 to 10 TPI for fast rip cuts and the other with a fine 17 TPI for smooth crosscuts and flush work. The flexible pull cutting blade reduces splintering and enhances accuracy. Its folding handle safely conceals both edges, while the geared pivot and locking mechanism ensure secure operation. A steel-reinforced ergonomic grip offers comfort, control and durability, making this saw ideal for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking versatility and performance in one tool. LAMINATE Heavy Duty Floor Cutter. The LAMINATE Heavy Duty Floor Cutter is a professional grade manual tool designed for cutting laminate, vinyl planks, LVP, engineered wood, and similar flooring materials with precision and ease. Its guillotine-style design ensures smooth, clean cuts without dust, noise, or electricity. Featuring a sharp HSS or tungsten steel blade, it delivers thousands of accurate cuts. The cutter offers adjustable angles, 0 degrees to 45 degrees, built-in guides, and a wide cutting capacity up to 13 inches. With a long handle for leverage, stable steel construction, and quiet operation, it provides unmatched control, safety, and efficiency for flooring installers and DIY professionals alike. Kreg Pocket-Hole Joiner Kit. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Joiner Kit lineup offers smart, efficient solutions for creating strong, precise joints in woodworking projects of all levels. From beginner repairs to professional builds, Kreg's range includes models tailored for every need. The 720 PRO delivers advanced efficiency with Automax one-motion clamping, dust collection, and a workstation docking system. The 520 PRO offers unmatched portability with its VersaGrip rotating handle, while the 320 provides a compact, affordable solution for DI years. For ultimate power, the Kreg Rebel 20-volt ionic drive combines speed and convenience in a cordless, clamp-free design, making pocket hole joinery faster, cleaner, and easier than ever. Festool Sander. The Festool Sander lineup represents the pinnacle of precision, efficiency, and cleanliness in professional woodworking. Designed with advanced dust extraction, ergonomic comfort, and long-lasting performance, these sanders deliver flawless surface finishes on any material. Featuring Festool's multi-Jetstream 2 dust system, EC-Tech brushless motor, and MMC electronics, they ensure consistent power, smooth operation, and extended tool life. The Stick Fix system allows quick abrasive changes, while Sustainer storage keeps everything organized. Ideal for professionals and serious hobbyists, Festool sanders combine innovation and craftsmanship to achieve superior sanding results with minimal effort and maximum control. Saw Blade Holder Cover. The Saw Blade Holder Cover is an essential safety and storage accessory for woodworkers who use circular or table saw blades. Designed to protect both the user and the blade, it prevents accidental cuts and shields delicate carbide teeth from damage. Available in various styles, individual silicone sleeves, multi-blade storage cases, soft zipper bags, and table saw blade guards, each type offers unique advantages. Whether you need compact organization, portability, or on-tool protection, these covers ensure your blades remain sharp, clean, and secure during transport, storage, and use, extending their life and maintaining peak cutting performance in any workshop. Drywall Cutout Tool. The Drywall Cutout Tool is a compact, high-speed rotary power tool built for precision cutting in drywall, perfect for creating openings for electrical boxes, lights, and vents. With powerful motors reaching up to 30,000 RPM, it delivers smooth, efficient cuts. Modern models feature brushless motors, adjustable depth guides, and ergonomic designs for comfort and control. Available in corded or cordless versions, many include LED lighting, tool-free bit changes, and dust control systems for cleaner, safer, and more versatile operation. Forestry Multitool. The Forestry Multitool is an innovative, all-in-one solution for forestry work, designed to replace multiple traditional tools with one efficient modular system. The LogArcs 3-in-1 Forestry Multitool, made in the USA from American steel, serves as a hauler, cant hook, and timberjack, reducing back strain and increasing productivity. Other versions, like the Council Forestry Service Combi Tool and Valfiris Gorgui, combine digging, cutting, and raking for firefighting or trail maintenance. Meanwhile, powered systems like the Husqvarna Combi and Forest Tool Company Max Toolkit provide multifunction versatility, durable construction, and easy portability for demanding outdoor or professional applications. Slipstick Bench Grippers. The Slipstick Bench Grippers are innovative, non-slip pads designed to securely hold your workpieces in place without the need for clamps. Perfect for sanding, routing, painting, or assembly. These grippers feature a high-friction, non-marring surface that provides exceptional traction and stability. Each pad supports up to 1,000 pounds and can be stacked for added height. Versatile and easy to clean, they also double as non-skid supports for heavy furniture and appliances, protecting both surfaces and floors. Profiler plus Scribing Tool. The Profiler plus Scribing Tool is a precision marking device engineered for replicating surface contours with exceptional accuracy. Ideal for woodworking, flooring, and general construction, it enables perfect fitting of materials against uneven walls or surfaces. With smooth glide wheels, a precision tip, and an adjustable scribe width, it ensures consistent clean markings. Its ambidextrous, ergonomic design allows easy one-handed use, while durable materials guarantee long-term performance. Compatible with various pencils and markers, the Profiler Plus adapts to every project, whether scribing cabinets, tiling floors, or shaping plasterboard, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand accuracy and efficiency. Woodpeckers Mini Square. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a precision-engineered tool built for woodworkers who demand accuracy in tight spaces. Machined from a single block of aircraft-grade aluminum, it guarantees 0.001-inch precision, ensuring perfect 90-degree angles every time. Its compact 1 1/8 inch by 2 inch size makes it ideal for checking the squareness of chisels, plane irons, and small joinery. The anodized red finish enhances visibility, while its ergonomic pocket-sized design offers portability and comfort. Proudly made in the USA, this mini square delivers unmatched durability, stability, and craftsmanship, an essential tool for precision woodworking and flawless detailing in any workshop. Festool Task Light. The Festool Task Light lineup delivers professional-grade illumination designed for precision work in any environment. Under the Sys Light series, these lights combine daylight quality brightness, rugged construction, and exceptional versatility. From the compact Size Light Cal C for tight spaces to the powerful Size Light Duo for large area lighting, each model enhances visibility and accuracy. Specialized options like the Size Light STL 450 and KBS-C ensure flawless surface inspection and broad cordless illumination, built tough for demanding job sites. Multi-Angle Measuring Tool. The Multi-Angle Measuring Tool is a highly versatile and precise instrument designed to simplify layout work across woodworking, tiling, flooring, and construction projects. Built from durable aluminum alloy or reinforced ABS plastic, it features multiple adjustable ruler arms that lock securely into any angle or shape. Laser engraved markings ensure lasting accuracy, while pre-drilled holes allow for easy pipe or outlet tracing. Compact and portable, it's perfect for replicating complex cuts, marking awkward angles, and ensuring consistent results every time. Advanced digital models enhance functionality with 4-in-1 features, including an angle finder, protractor, and level, delivering unmatched precision and efficiency. IRONLAND Bucket Tool. The IRONLAND Bucket Tool. Organizer is a rugged, efficient, and portable storage solution designed to fit standard 3.5 to 5-gallon buckets. Built from heavy-duty 600D polyester with reinforced seams and a waterproof coating, it withstands tough job site conditions while keeping tools dry and protected. Featuring up to 51 total pockets, loops, and clips, it offers excellent organization for hand tools, drills, and accessories. The wraparound design frees up interior bucket space for larger items, making it both practical and efficient. Lightweight yet durable, this organizer transforms any standard bucket into a fully functional, easy-to-carry workstation for professionals and DIYers alike.